Mike Christner with the HD Pocket Doors back here at the Pocket Door Workshop. Today we're going to take another look at the pocket door gate that we're offering. We've got our Toby model here today. This can be either a child gate or a dog gate. You don't have to have a track that goes across the floor. We make this so it can cantilever out across. This came from customers that we've been offering our pocket doors to. They love the quality and the heavy dutiness of those, but they want something that's going to work for their dog and kid gates, really, which these are very popular right now. We can offer these for a new construction or remodel if there's room. New construction is really key on that. It works really good because then you can make sure you have the right room for it. Come here, Toby. Come on, let's go inside here. But these things are super heavy duty. That way you don't have to worry about a big dog or your kids that are tearing this thing up. It's gonna hold up well. So you're gonna have whatever your opening is here, you're gonna have double that. So if you have a 3-foot wide walkthrough, you're gonna end up with a 6-foot door panel width that will slide in here. You can pair this with a handle and you can lock this thing. Very secure, heavy duty, just like all of our products. We're gonna use our tubular steel post inside the pocket, CS track and hardware up at the top. We're able to do soft close, soft open. We use a U-channel floor guide at the bottom with ball bearing rollers. And that way, this door is gonna stay engaged in that guide and that track and hardware, which allows it to cantilever out over the opening and just makes it rock solid. Seems like the dogs love it too. Right, Toby? With our dog gate system here, you can actually have a dog gate or a child gate that slides out from one direction, and then on the other side, you can have a pocket door that slides out. So you can have a full-size pocket door, or you can have the child gate coming out from the other side. We can even do these in converging doors if you want to have 2 of these dog gates that meet in the middle, if you have a wider opening and you have room on both sides, and you can use your locking hardware there. This idea kind of popped in my head after we had a few requests. People were doing these for like the dog bath laundry combos. They wanted to be able to close that off, but not have a floor track that went across the opening. And so when we were able to combine the technology of our pocket door frame with this dog gate application, this is kind of where it came from, and now we're able to meet the needs of more people. Sky is the limit on what we can do with these things. We're anxious to see what we can do with these next, what kind of ideas you can come up with this. Right now these aren't on the website, but we can do it through a custom order. So once you email me over your information, we can go from there and get a quote out to you. We supply the heavy duty pocket door frame kit. We do not supply the doors. So you're gonna get your door, or in this case, you would get your gate separately. And you can make that anything you want. It doesn't have to have a design like this. It could be out of steel, it could be out of wood, glass. We'll make our kit to match up with that. Make sure to follow along, subscribe, like our posts. Let us know if you're looking to see more. See you back on the channel. Thanks a lot.